This product's price does change often. Be sure and check out the link down below in the description to see what kind of price you can get for it. Hey guys, Tyler here, and in today's video, we're taking a look at this WiZ smart plug. Now, in this video, we're going to talk a little bit about this smart plug and help you know what you can expect when you get it. Now, first off, I just wanted to show you, this is the smart plug right here. I've pulled it out of the package. You can see it's just got the WiZ branding up there at the top, but overall, a really nice, very kind of simple and minimalistic looking WiZ outlet here. Now, I wanted to show you, this is the back here. You do have that third prong there, so just keep in mind that you will need an outlet that has that third prong available, and then you've also got the third prong available here on the front that it can go ahead and plug right into. Now, I wanted to point out that over here on the right side we do have a power button. You can actually go ahead and hit that to manually turn the device on or off, but the great thing about this smart plug is the fact that it can be controlled with a variety of different devices. This has support for a lot of the home assistants, which is really nice, including the even harder home assistants to find devices for. I was really surprised that it had support for that as well. I also wanted to mention that this does have support for Matter, which is really nice. I've actually covered up the QR code and the code that is under here, but there is a Matter ID right here. So if you want to connect this device over Matter, you certainly could do that as well. I've been super impressed with this smart plug, and for that reason, I would highly recommend it. Now, make sure and check out the link down below in the description to get your hands on this product. Thanks so much for watching and have a great day.